This is a remarkable opportunity to acquire top-quality land clearing and forestry equipment. Bright Star Auctions presents this extensive selection in Central West Virginia, selling at absolute auction with no reserve, June 9th. Mark your calendar with this opportunity to acquire reliable, high-performance equipment, sure to enhance any land management or forestry venture with items from this vast catalog of quality machinery. Auction will be held on-site in Nicholas County, West Virginia, just east of Calvin at 14211 Webster Road. 2 auction rings will tackle this massive catalog of sawmill, forestry, and land clearing equipment, plus online bidding will also be available. Items to sell at no reserve include skid steers, wheel loaders, dozers, excavators, knuckle booms, track hoes, tractors, and many vehicles, from pickups and dump trucks to semi-tractors and trailers. The list of sawmill items includes chippers, augers, sharpeners, grinders, milling equipment, saws, conveyors, lathes, and much more, such as tools, implements, accessories, and material handling equipment. Choose from trusted brands and manufacturers such as Volvo, Cat, JLG, Bobcat, Alice Chalmers, John Deere, and Tiger Cat, as well as Barco, Prentice, Rayco, IH, Peterbilt, Kenworth, Pitts, New Holland, and many more. Don't miss this exceptional opportunity to purchase land clearing, sawmill, and forestry equipment, all selling at absolute auction with no reserve, Friday, June 9th in Calvin, West Virginia. Sale begins with the sawmill equipment ring at 9 o'clock Friday morning, and the rolling stock begins selling in the second ring at 10. To browse the catalog of lots, find out more about online bidding procedure or other information, visit the website brightstarauctions.com or call Jonathan 574-812-7530.